Sabrina,
Yes?
you're up first.
I'm taking you home.
Let's go!
I am obsessed with a Sonic drink. My mom and my daughter and I have a little competition going with who can make the best drink. But I might add that they have gone viral dozens of times. They have been featured on multiple national news channels and racked up millions of views. So when I say that I think I have beat them, I am saying something very big.
Yes.
I am introducing the Crackalicious.
Oh.
My drink concept is a drink that's gonna crack. You take a hardening chocolate and you rim the inside of your cup. I like mine a little dirty. So I have Coca-Cola, a little bit of sweet cream, some coconut syrup, and fresh lime. Crack the flavor.
Okay,
You
good.
see it?
Did a little bit on this side.
Flavor
I can see it.
You
I
see
can
the
see it.
crack?
Yes,
Love delicious.
I see the crack.
Crack, crack, crack.
This is so interesting.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, it does crack.
Yeah.
Oh, mine cracked. I got a big crack.
Look at that. That looks good.
I love that idea.
Okay, while you're drinking,
Wow.
Mahari, drop me a beat, baby. Crackalicious, so delicious, makes you want to try it. Crack it slow, feel the flow, crack the flavor, love delicious, chocolate smoothness, so delicious. Crackalicious.
Oh, come on. Okay.
There you go.
This is such a surprising thing because of the interactivity of it. Everybody has this memory of that hard chocolate.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That you bite into. And I just never thought of having it in a drink. What I also like about ideas are when they're campaignable or repeatable. You know, so if we have this crackle line
Yep.
of beverages, that's so interesting and unique.
Yeah.
Great job. And the jingle's just simple, fun.
Hey, JT, what about the name? Can we say crack?
Here's my solve for it. Crackle. Put the L-E.
Like hyphenated, sort of.
I think maybe that could solve it.
Okay.
All right, Elijah, show us what you got, bud.
So for this drink, I wanted familiar flavors, but something a little unexpected. You know, there's a lot of viral foods from different countries that go viral, like baked goods. Something that maybe like a British food critic would say, it tastes buttery, it tastes blueberry. It's almost as if they struck a straw in a scone. It is a slush base with blueberry syrup, with honey butter syrup, and some whipped cream on top.
Great. How about your jingle?
Don't worry, it's not British as well, sorry.
Yeah, when the Beatles sing, they don't sound like that either, you know.
Exactly.
That's right. So let's hear the scone jingle.
Buttery, blueberry, little bit of lemon. I want to sip it up now and again. They stuck a straw in a scone. Drink it till it's gone. Thank you.
Cheerio, love.
Cheerio.
Pinkies up!
Pinkies up. Pinkies up. Hello.
Oh,
Whoa, this is so
that-
sweet.
my biggest struggle with it from a craveability standpoint, I'm not a scone fan. I don't know that our guests are big scone fans.
What is something that you could put a straw in that is American, that would give us that same brand identity, but that people recognize here?
All right, taking it to the next level.
Bianca, you're up. Bianca.
I've been creative lead 2 out of the last 3 accounts. I've obviously shown that I can create great ideas, but you know, I haven't yet had a win on the board, so I have to leave it all on the table here because whoever doesn't win is at risk of going home. Sonic is looking for a drink that is gonna break the internet, and that's what I'm gonna do. I am a little nervous to get out there and sing this, but here we go. Introducing my drink, the Bandits Bourbon Caramel Cold Brew.
Wow.
Brewed for the brave.
Oh, yeah.
It is an adrenaline shot in a cup. It is pure horsepower to kickstart your day. Western vibes are huge in music and fashion and culture right now. Pictured here is also a little cowboy hat. So the Bandits Bourbon Caramel Cold Brew, but if you're a real cowboy, it's the double BCCB. Which brings me to my jingle.
Okay.
Been on this road searching far and wide for a dangerous bandit he's trying to hide. So if you see him, go on, tell me the double BCCB, the double BCCB,
Yes.
the double BCCB. I'll spell out the name for you if you're new. Goes by Bandits Bourbon Caramel Cold Brew.
Hey, 3 words, giddy up. Giddy up. This is what I'm talking about. Thank you for doing your research. We put a lot of work into producing a really high quality coffee. If there's something that I would say you might consider improving on, I don't know about the bandit positioning, but the jingle was great. You performed it great.
I love the country of it all. Like, it's the #1 music right now. And thank you, Bianca. That was great.
Great job. Thank you, Bianca.
That was great. You went into a whole different personality.
Up next, Lauren.
A catchy name can easily hook a customer.
Introducing the Sonic Glow. When I get glowing and feeling good, I want to dance. Good vibes, feeling right, light and fresh, good delight.
And I think everyone would hashtag glow up with Sonic and do the dance and go, here's my glow up dance. Everyone's doing the glow up. And you have to do it with the beverage.
Now, successful marketers need to become experts in their client's industry. With restaurants, you have to consider things that are easy to process, so it makes it easy to roll out nationwide.
Moon Mist. Once you taste the Cosmos, you're gonna keep coming. Start off with soda water, blue raspberry, peach, habanero lime, and then I do Sprite and a splash of blue Powerade.
Wow. Yeah, that's quite a bit operationally. Could you do all soda water or all Sprite to make that a little bit more simple?
Yep.
Introducing the Tiramisu Float.
Yeah.
It does have a little bit of cold brew. It requires stirring of the 3 liquids before any ice goes in.
Okay. And then it has ice cream underneath this and the whipped topping over the top. It's just too complex for our back of house.
And a good jingle, ooh, that can become an earworm that keeps them thinking about the brand.
A drink for when we've got a lot to do. Cherry cheesecake cold brew. It's your new favorite drink and Jimmy's too. Cherry cheesecake cold brew.
Cherry cheesecake cold brew.
The song and the lyrics, amazing, right on.
Thank you.
Mahari, you're up. Kick it up.
I'm very excited because Sonics is a big part of my childhood core memory. When I was a kid, we were there for 2 or 3 hours sitting outside, eating, laughing, playing, but never have I ever made a jingle for anybody for any reason. I'll do what I can.
What you have in your hand is a mixture of what I consider my favorite points of childhood. I don't even know if you've ever done this. You have a piece of candy or you get a mixed variety bag of candy and you put it on top of the drink. That's exactly what this is. I created something with a catchy name that was easy to go viral. I call it the Gummy Yummy Berry Slush.
The Gummy Yummy Berry Slush.
Now, with no further ado, we got the Gummy Yummy Berry Slush. We got berries and candy you can't resist. I say grab your friends and let's have some fun. Let's get it, and go on the runs. I want the Gummy Yummy
Berry Slush.
I want the Gummy Yummy
Berry Slush.
That's it.
That's great.
Thank you.
From a simplicity standpoint, how do you eat the gummy bears?
You have to finish the drink.
Well, I know, but then I don't know how to get my hand down.
Okay.
I love the red and green, by the way, because that is very holiday as well as we're getting into the holiday, because it's going to be
That's
not
a
just
good point.
a summer beverage, but it is very on point for Christmas. Mahari, great job.
Thank
Yes,
you.
thank
Awesome.
you,
Thank
Mahari.
you.
Awesome job, Mahari. Thank you.
That's great.
Raj, you are up. Raj!
I'm very excited. I think my pitch will go well. I'm feeling like $1,000,000. I like to joke in the class. Students need to have fun, and here is a chance to showcase that.
Okay.
All right, Raj.
Sonic's drinks are bold, they're tasty, they are delicious. So I thought I need to have a drink that is bold and delicious. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Fire and Ice with recharger, red and white, US. It kicks everybody's dash. It will have a little bit of Red Bull in it, so that's a recharger.
Whoa, that's fantastic. Raj, let's hear your jingle for this.
Sip it up, cool it down. Fire and ice, best taste in town. It's bold, it's hot, it's hot, it's cold. Let me repeat again. It's hot, it's cold, it's bold, it's nice. Come get your fire and ice.
Good job.
Wow, Raj. So, first of all, the concept is cool. Fire and ice, it's a bold concept, and I think the color is just a little pale.
I completely agree with JT. You know, color is such an important thing. So the concept is great, but the execution just didn't meet it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Raj, so much. Always great. Thank you, buddy.
I feel better right now. JD said it was a cool concept. I wanted 3/4 of it to be red, 1/4 to be white. It became pink.
JT, which two campaigns do you want to see executed at a Sonic location?
Look, this is a really hard decision, and I loved everybody's presentations.
Yeah.
So, the first one that I'm gonna pick is